Hi students, in the last videos we discussed about the divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Now we are going to discuss about the prime factors, whatever it is. Before to learn the factors, first we have to learn what is the even number, odd number. Everyone know about the even number and the odd numbers. What is mean by even number? If any number can divisible by 2, that numbers are called even numbers. For example, here I am checking this 4 is an even number or not. For we have to, how can we check this it is even number or not? When we divided with 2, when we divided with by 2, then the remainder will come to 0. That number are called even number. So all 2 multiples are called the even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on and so on, so on. These all numbers are called the even numbers. That means which numbers divisible by 2, that all numbers called the even numbers. What is the odd numbers? Which numbers did not divisible by 2? That means in the remainder the 0 will not come. That numbers are called the odd numbers. For example, here I am taking 3. So when we divided the 3 by 2, 2 1 are 2. In the remainder it will be the 1. That means the 3 is not perfectly divided by 2. So that means which numbers did not divided by 2, that numbers are called the odd numbers. For example, 3, 9, 11, 13, 15, 8, 17, all these numbers. These numbers are called the odd numbers. Okay. That means which numbers are divisible by 2, that numbers are called the even numbers. Which numbers did not divisible by 2, that numbers are called the odd numbers. So what is the factor? Which number have the coming in the tables, that numbers are called the factors. For example, here I am taking the 4. In 4, how many tables, in which tables the 4 will become? In 1 table the 4 will become, in 2 table, in the 4 table. Yes or no? 1 1s are 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. So in the 1 table, in the 2 table, in the 4 table the 4 will become. So the factors of the 4 are 1, 2, 4. Okay. Again 20, 12. Look at the 12. In the 1 table the 12 will become, in the 2 table 2 6 are 12. So 2 table, in the 2 table, in the 3 table 3 4s are 12. In the 4 table 4 3s are 12. In the 5 table the 12 will become? No. In the 6 table 6 2s are 12. So 6. In the 8 table the 12 will become? No. In the 9 table? No. In the 10 table? No. In the 11 table? No. Again the 12 table, the 12 ones are 12. So the factors of the 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and the 12. So in which table the number will become? That numbers are, the tables are called the factors of that given number. So what is the multiple? For example, what is the first 5 multiple of the 5? So in the 5 table what is the products will become? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So the product will be coming on the table. That products are called the multiple of that number. Okay. Again the 7. What is the multiple of the 7? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. That means in which table? In the table product of that number table, that product of the table are called the multiple of the number. So next one is the prime number. What is the prime number? For example, any number, when we take any number, for example, we are taking here the 2. So, in how many tables the 2 will become? In the 1 table and the 2 table. So, how many factors are coming here? 2 factors are coming here. One is the first one is the one table, second one is the same table, the 2 table. So, if any number, they are exactly 2 factors, that numbers are called the prime numbers. If any number have the exactly 2 factors, that type of numbers are called the prime numbers. Here example I am giving the 2 table. The 2 table will come in the 1 table and the 2 table. Another example 3 also. Where the 3 number will become how many tables? In the 1 table and the 3 table. Another example 5. Where the 5 will become? In the 1 table and the 5 table. Where will be the 7? Where will be the 7 will become? In the 1 table and the 7 table. When you observe that in these numbers have the only 2 factors. So, in which number have the only 2 factors? The factors are the 1 and the same number. That numbers are called the prime numbers. What is the composite number? So, any number have the 2 or more than factors, that type of numbers are called the composite numbers. For example, 4. 4, how many tables the 4 will become? In the 1 table, 1 1s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. Here how many factors will come? In the 3 factors. That means more than 2 factors are called the composite numbers. Another example 6. How many numbers 6? How many tables 6 will become? What is the factors of 6? 1. In the 1 table 1 6 are 6. In the 2 table 2 3 are 6. In the 3 table 3 2s are 6. In the 6 table 6 1s are 6. So how many factors are here? 4 factors. So more than 2 factors will become, that numbers are called the composite numbers.